When you buy the package, you're going to get 2-page form fillables, and that's the first 2 forms that we did. You're going to get a 4-page forms for each of the archetypes that have all 4 pages. You're going to get 4-page print-only versions, and these, instead of being form fillable, they have got, in a space like where it has the talents and feats here, we've got ruled lines, so you can nice and neatly write in all your talents and stuff. Not for me. I like to type into the computer. It's a lot faster. But some people like that, so that's what we got. We've also got individual form character sheets. So these are each individual page separated so that you can make, if you have a PDF joiner, you can make a custom character sheet. Let's say you're a smart hero, but you multi-class into wise hero. So you can have page 2 for both character classes, so that for smart hero, you've got your plans and stuff here. And for wise hero, you got your focus points. It's very nice. You can mix and match. You can have 2 page 3s if you've got 2 vehicles, all that kind of stuff, right? So you can create your own character sheet using those. And then we have the same thing, but for print versions, so you can just print out the sheets you need, staple them together, and you are good to go. So that is the full character package. So once again, it's about $5. Why are we charging for character sheets? It helps support SigTrent games, so that money is going to go into buying art for our next project, which is going to be called Shotgun Fantasy, which is going to kind of bridge the gap between D&D and Everyday Heroes and let you play kind of like Ash in Evil Dead, go back in time, or an Army of Darkness, I should say, go back in time, impress everybody with your boomstick, or take characters from a fantasy world, which I'll have some classes for the core fantasy characters, and you can bring them into the modern world and have adventures, that kind of thing. So that's what Shotgun Fantasy is going to be about. And every time you purchase one of our hero sheets, that's going to be another few bucks to pay for artists for that project. So just going to go right into making new, cool stuff. So that's why we're charging. It's a way to raise money. Plus, there's a lot of work went into making these character sheets. Also, they're a living product. So as we have new needs for stuff for character sheets, we're going to add them into the character sheets and build it out, maybe add more pages. I've already got some requests in that we're thinking about doing. So if you buy a package, whenever we get a new package, you'll get an update and you'll get the new stuff, which is cool. And if we find bugs, which we have found, then you'll get those fixes as well. So that's our commitment to you. And I think that's all for today. Stay tuned for more character building videos and also some tutorial videos that we're going to be putting together. Good gaming out there. Catch you later. Bye-bye.